Hello class, my name is Aziza Callahan and welcome to my presentation on the social app Foursquare. First developed in 2009 as a way for friends to see where each other were going, the app has grown into a 10 million user social app that utilizes the opinions of fellow users on local spots for food, entertainment, drinks, and new places to discover. On signing up for the app, the site prompts you to pick tastes that appeal to you. As you can see, my tastes are the ones highlighted in pink. This app lets you search for trending places in your area or the area you're currently in. It updates these trends once a week, allowing for new places to be highlighted and explored. You can also search and save places you'd like to explore in customizable lists. I have a fondness for creative drinks and draft beer lists as long as a CVS receipt, so I've already started making a list of bars I'd like to try. Another neat aspect of the app is you can tell people where you're going and they can recommend places to you directly. I started to make a make-believe trip to LA, but since I'm not actually going there, I decided against sharing the URL for all of Facebook or Twitter to see. I was a little sad I couldn't share the URL with only users on Foursquare, but to others that may not be a deterrent. Like any social media app, Foursquare would like it if you linked other social apps to this one, guaranteeing you will never have any privacy. While this may not be the worst beware sign, just make sure you don't check in anywhere where your boss might catch you if you're playing hooky. What makes this a fun social app is the fact that you can earn badges for checking into places. Users are rewarded for multiple check-ins and can even oust other users from their place of high power and become a mayor themselves. A mayor is someone who has the most check-ins at any given place. As you can imagine, the competition can be quite fun. You can also use the app to see where those who have the same taste as you go and where they recommend. Feel free to follow their list as well for an automatic save list of your own. No need to search for that perfect sushi restaurant in Long Branch, New Jersey. Someone already found it for you. Thank you for listening and happy exploring!